Hey, what's happening guys? This is Stephen here, back with another video. Not far from Bangkok there is a suburb called Phra Nang. This is the area that I live in. Not far from our area is a large shopping centre called Mega Bangna Shopping Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in Southeast Asia. It is 35,000 square metres. Located halfway between Suvarnabhumi International Airport and central Bangkok. Bangkok sure likes its shopping malls monstrous. Talk about overkill, the thing is huge. Okay, let's jump in and have a look at Mega Bangna Bangkok. Good evening. Just heading for Mega Bangna Super Centre, or Mega Bangna if you want. It's on Trad Road in Summit Phra Nang, or if you like, Bangna. One of the biggest shopping centres in Southeast Asia, 37,000 square metres. It's out near the Suvarnabhumi Airport, about halfway from the airport. Oh, look at that guy, that was unbelievable. You see the way he did that? Taxi. Unbelievable. Anyway, it's halfway between the city and the airport. So it's mainly for locals. It's reported to be one of the biggest shopping centres in Southeast Asia. It's 35,000 square metres apparently. It is for locals, not for tourists really, because they've only got local prices. You've got to pay tourist prices when you come to Bangkok. So if you're ever going, you've got a couple of hours to spare and you're heading back to the airport for whatever reason, you've got a few hours to spare, yeah, call in and have a shop around. There's plenty to do there. It's got everything, believe me. It's massive. Yeah, you can spend quite a few hours there if you wanted to. Done your last minute shopping before you jump on that plane to go home. You should have bought that, you should have bought this. But you do pay local prices. There's lots of restaurants in there. Really nice restaurants actually, and it's not very hard to get to. You can get the BTS down Sukhumvit Road to, I can't remember the name of the station. I can't remember the name of the station. I'll look it up. And they got a free shuttle going to Mega Bangna Super Centre. You jump on that and you're in business. It's quite a good shopping centre, very, very big. It's actually huge. Yeah, it takes a long time to go around it. It's not far from my place, about 15 minutes. I'm close to everything where I live. That's the beauty of it. Mega Bangna, yeah, Mega Bangna IKEA. Mega Bangna is famous for IKEA. Oh, I should say Mega Bangna Superstore. Super, oh, whatever it's called. Super Centre. I've changed the Super Centre. Yeah, it's famous for IKEA. Okay, there's a big IKEA store there. Used to be the only one in Bangkok, but I believe they've opened another one up just recently. But it was quite famous for IKEA. Very, very big IKEA store. Thank you. Cup of cup. Okay, I parked the car and made it inside. Just going to head on to IKEA and get some lunch. Yeah, IKEA's down the other end of the store. Oh, there's Super Centre. Yeah. There we go. They've got little markets in here as well. Very good. And they are selling everything. I mean, you come into this shopping centre and, oh sorry, Super Centre. Look, I'm going to call it shopping centre, okay? Yeah, they really have got everything. Got all these different zones around. Yeah. Honestly, it's like a little city in here. This goes on for miles, all this stuff. I can't show you all today. But I'll show you all the exciting bits, what I think's exciting. Take home food. They've got a takeaway at the on the right over here. Take your food home. You can order it and take it home. Yingli yours. I don't know what that is. Oh, some sort of juice or something. Oh, the Nature Republic. All types of health food, I could imagine. Yeah. They sell lots of perfume in Thailand. All the girls want perfume. Perfume, perfume, perfume. Skin food. Food for your skin. I got lots of spare skin on me. I should get some. Barter shoes. Over there on the left. Yeah, they got that in Australia. Actually, I used to... they sell pretty good shoes in here, actually. Bottom line style, sort of... where you can buy cheap shoes, alright, with pretty good quality. Yeah, they've certainly got lots of shops in here. There's just shops everywhere. Shop City. Look at that. Huge stores in here as well. All the guys waiting for the girls inside, I guess. Have a sit down while you wait the hours-long adventure of buying a dress. Well, bath soaps. Look at that. Wow. And there's Robinson's over there, the biggest department stores in, or chains in Thailand. Stores everywhere. Looks like they're building something over there. They're taking all the stalls out. There used to be stalls there. Renovating. Tell you what, this shopping centre's in brilliant condition. They clean it very, very well. It's always been like that. Very, very good. Yep, very nice. Can't beat a clean shopping centre, can ya? Oh, I tell you what, IKEA, get to IKEA. It's about a half a kilometre down there, I think. I'm not quite sure. It's a very big shopping centre. Imagine the money they spend on doing some of these shops up and the stalls. Must be phenomenal. Check this store out. Gee, you've spent a lot of money doing this one up. Looks very, very good. Must have spent a lot of money on it though, I would imagine. One of the better ones I've seen. There you go, selling bikes now. Oh, it's a tool shop too. Have a look at that, 83,000 baht. About 2,500 US dollars, I believe. Nice looking bikes, actually. Look at this thing. Oh, look at this thing, very nice. Kawasaki. Must be selling Kawasaki here. Tell you what, they're nice looking bikes. Nice and bright colours. 300,000, that's about 9,000 US, I think. I don't know anything about bikes. I wouldn't even know if that was cheap. They do look good though, very impressive. Kawasaki. Look at the prices of 175,000. I think they're very cheap actually. There we go guys, all the tools you can imagine. Oh, fun for the boys in here I think. Yeah. Look at that, that's a nice bike, look at that. I don't know, I think they've only got Kawasaki bikes in here. Never mind. Yeah, good looking bikes. Thais love their bikes, so they love to ride. Motorbike drivers in Thailand, they never die. This is the entrance to the Great IKEA Empire and one of my favourite restaurants. It's actually very nice here. You can sit on IKEA furniture while you eat from the restaurant. When you choose what you want from the self-serve restaurant, you collect your food and there's many places to sit and relax and look around and do a bit of people watching if you like. IKEA has a large selection of food and it's a bit of a break from Thai food actually. All their specials are usually in the light boxes above, as you can see. And I'm going to get my favourite meal. I'm going to attack the meatballs today. Tell you what, the food looks amazing, really. They have quite a large menu at IKEA restaurant. Lots of Swedish food to choose from, and I don't think I have had a bad meal here. We eat here every time we come to Mega Bangna, and I always manoeuvre my way up here. The meatballs were fantastic, and I didn't film it. Yeah, I was too busy eating. Nice. IT City and Power Direct. That's my type of toys in there. Yeah, you guys, you can set your wife or girlfriend loose in here and they can just spend. No mail can be complete without a phone section. Look at them all lined up, ready to be purchased. Second-hand, new, original Chinese copies, of course. Do you know they've even got a skating section here in Mega Bangna? Look at that. It's pretty big, actually. Two people enjoying themselves, a couple. And we have bowling. Waiting for Fred Flintstone to pop out. Look at that. Full on. 24 aisles, I think it is. And we have a bar. We can have a few beers in between balls. Food Republic. I'm not going to go in there. You've seen food before, haven't you? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I just purchased this wonderful little device. Oh, they think they go all right. Oh, well, we'll give them a good test, eh? Where is the microphone thing? It's long enough, I think. But these are working great. I've got an extension cable with it and some cable to plug it into the computer. Fantastic. I've got most of the stuff here. Really is quite a interesting complex. Keeps coming out of my ear. I might have to glue it in. I'm not going to glue it in. Come here and watch movies. Most of the movies they play in Thailand are in English. And they have subtitles. Subtitles in subtitles in Thai. Sorry, I was watching a movie. Yeah, preview. It's in a hurry. Everybody's in a hurry. Hurry to do this. Hurry to do that. Oh well. I'll head back to the car and head home. Isn't that exciting? Right, just got to find the car. Okay.